Hi everyone, in front of me I've got AGM H6 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the passwords and accounts. Here we've got our currently added Google account, so let me start with removing it. All you have to do is to simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, confirm it by tapping on OK and entering the screen lock, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. If you wish to add it, simply tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, of course, and for the previous one also. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. We can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so you can decide whether you'd like to use the backup option or not. I don't want to, so let me tap on don't backup. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.